Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Figma files or prototypes a bit more secure, whether you're sharing with clients, working with a team, or just handling sensitive freelance work, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to easily set up password protection for your files using a powerful Figma plugin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export your designs as secure, password-protected PDF files, giving you peace of mind when sharing your work. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open up Figma itself. Now, I know most of you probably already have Figma open all day, but if not, just hop into your workspace. Once you're inside, look at the sidebar where you'll see the option for templates and tools. Click right into that. It's kind of like your gateway to all the cool additions and plugins in Figma. In the search bar there, type Crypto Password Protection. This is the exact plugin that's going to add that extra layer of security for us. Give it a second to search. Sometimes it takes a moment if your connection is slow. When you see Crypto Password Protection pop up in the results, go ahead and install it. This only takes a few clicks, and you'll notice that the process is just like adding any other plugin in Figma. Once installed, head over to the specific Figma file you want to protect. Maybe you've mocked up a client presentation, or maybe it's a prototype you'll be showing for feedback. It really doesn't matter. This method works for any file type. Before anything else, double-check your sharing settings. To do this, click the Share button in the top right corner of your screen and make sure the link is set to Can View. This lets people access the file with the link but doesn't give them editing rights, a really important step to keep things safe but still accessible. Now go ahead and copy that link. It'll be useful for sharing later after you've secured the PDF version. Next, we're going to run the plugin we just installed. So right-click anywhere in your project, find your plugins list and select Crypto Password Protection. It should launch pretty quickly. Let's say you have a full project open, but you only need to export one frame. That's totally fine. In fact, you just need a single frame to make this work. This is perfect for when you want to share, say, a client's finalized screen, but not your entire portfolio. Within the plugin, make sure you select Password Protected PDF File from the drop-down menu. This setting is exactly what it sounds like. It'll wrap your exported file with a password, so only the people you share the password with can view the PDF. Once you've chosen that option, just click to export your PDF. You'll be prompted to enter a password. This can be anything you like. Let's say we'll use 5400 as an example, but definitely pick something secure and unique for your own files. It's like locking your notebook with a code only you and your client know. Before you hit export, look for a couple extra settings. Enable vector path gradients and set the resolution to 300 dpi. Even if you're not printing, 300 dpi ensures your designs look sharp and crisp no matter who's viewing them. Once that's all set, click Export PDF. And that's really it. You now have a password-protected PDF, ready to send to whoever needs it, clients, teammates, or anyone else, with total confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions or want advice on sharing your Figma work more securely. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the latest tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.